Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. I am also Heather Hooker Keto on Instagram and on YouTube. So make sure you check me out there. Today, I knew that was gonna fall. I knew at some point that was going to fall. As you're tuning in, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Today, we're going to be talking about something called the reboot. So I want you to comment below and let me know what throws you off your healthy diet. So it could be somebody in your life. It could be some sort of event. It could be a certain food that you just have a really hard time turning down. But I can tell you that the last month of August has gotten me pretty off track personally. And it normally starts out pretty slow. It sort of creeps up on you, and then before you know it, you're eating Oreos in bed at 10 o'clock at night, and you're wondering how you lost control, right? Okay, or maybe that's just me. Anyway, I am going to talk about the reboot today, and I'm doing it this month. I'm looking for about 10 people to do it with me. So if you're interested in doing this, let me know. I'm gonna show you some real reboot results, some things that you can expect. And these are people that I actually know. So I'm not showing you pictures that I downloaded off the internet. These are my real friends and these are their real results from the 60-hour reboot. So I'm gonna show you these first, and then I'm gonna go over 9 questions to ask yourself if you're considering doing this reboot with me and how that's gonna help you move forward, okay? All right, so here's number 1. So this is the last time that I did the reboot, and you can tell that it went right to my problem area. I have had 2 C-sections, 2 back-to-back, not back-to-back, but 2 pregnancies where I gained over 50 pounds. So if I eat the wrong thing, I bloat immediately. It always goes right to the spot where I don't want it to go, which is my stomach. So I love the reboot for that reason. It hones in, I'm trying to look for the right word. It hones in on that area for me. I know that's the area that a lot of people see the biggest improvement. So if that is one of your trouble spots, then you're gonna love this. This is my friend Trisha. She did the keto reboot. She lost almost 7 pounds in 60 hours. This is my friend Kate. You can see that she was already pretty small, but I know that she had 2 kids back to back, and you can tell a massive difference in her stomach. This is my friend Kim. See how it targets her stomach right there? Here's the next one. You guys can see that, right? Yeah. This is my friend Ashley. This is my friend Stacy. So you can see that people are getting real results with this keto reboot. This is the kit that you will get. These are brand new. Not brand new, they've been out a couple of months, but they've actually improved the keto reboot over previous versions. So if you've ever done the keto reboot with me in the past, let's see, it's been out for almost a year. This is new and improved. So they actually changed the products that you get, and you get more products than before, and you also get more flavors to try. So I can open this at the end and show you what actually comes in this kit, but this is all you need for this keto reboot. Okay, so let's move on to the question. So question number 1 to ask yourself if you're considering whether or not you want to do the keto reboot with me in September is, number 1, do you like what you see in the mirror? So we're just going straight out the gate, heavy hitter, because I don't know about you guys, but every day when I get out of the shower and I have to walk past that mirror, it's like a reality check. Okay, like, are you doing the things? Are you taking good care of yourself? Or have you sort of slid back to the back burner, okay? So if you don't like what you see in the mirror, take control of it, okay? It doesn't matter what you do to take control of it. If this is what helps you, then it is going to be money well spent, because the way that you feel about yourself is going to influence and reflect on everyone around you, including your children, your husband, your friends and family, your confidence in your daily life, okay? So I don't think that investing in yourself is ever a bad idea. Number 2 is you have a hard time focusing. I have squirrel brain, okay? I really, really do. But when I'm in ketosis, I'm not doing this on purpose. It quiets the chatter, right? So it's sort of like, I don't know, it just calms everything down. It helps me get more done in a day when I am in ketosis. So this kit is gonna help me get back there, help me get in a really good spot with my focus. Some people see more improvement in this area than I do, but you know, it is what it is for me. Number 3, do you think about food all the time? Okay. So if your day is consumed with thoughts of food, what you're gonna eat next, what you ate last, what you're gonna have for dinner, what you're gonna eat next week, if that's all that you think about, this is going to really help you in that area to realize how much of your day revolves around food so that you can make the changes that need to happen. Number 4, do you have constant cravings for sweets, salty, carbs, sugar? Okay? If you've got cravings that are happening all the time, this is gonna take care of those for you. Number 5 is you crash or you run out of energy in the middle of the day. I know when I used to work a 9-to-5 job, I could tell that it was 3 o'clock without looking at a clock, because every single day at 3 o'clock, I crashed. And it was like, this little thing in my brain was like, okay, time to drink coffee. That's not normal. Like, you shouldn't have, well, it is normal. It's sadly typical for the standard American diet, but you don't have to feel that way. When you're in ketosis, when you are fueled by these ketones, you are going to tap into this endless energy, and that alone is reason for me to do this every month, because I have a lot to do. I have little kids that I have to keep up with. So energy. Number 6 is you stay bloated or you bloat easily. And like I said earlier in the beginning of this call, that's one of my problem areas. That's where I can tell the biggest difference when I do go off plan is in the bloat, and my pants start to fit a little bit tighter, and this just helps you get back on track with that. Number 7, you haven't been sleeping well and you never feel well rested. So one of the side effects of doing this keto reboot is that you are going to sleep like a baby, okay? The first time I ever started drinking these ketones, that was one of the biggest changes that I felt. I felt my sugar cravings disappear. I felt focused, and I was able to tackle my to-do list. And I slept like a baby for the first time in a while. And so there's a lot of really good benefits. Number 9, this is the last one, is if you like a really good deal. So this is a really, really good deal. It's on sale. It's only $79. The price of this is going to go up to $94 if you wait and you decide that you want to do it next month. This is not available every single day of the month. It's only available through tomorrow, and then it won't be back again until October. So if it's something that you think that you want to do in the next 30 days and you don't want to have to pay $15 more for this when you want to do it next month, I recommend that you go ahead and grab it. So I'm going to open this one and I'm going to show you what all comes in this box. Okay, so this is the Keto Reboot. I would also recommend that you grab some electrolytes. And I have a specific brand that I like to use. Okay, so these are all, oh wait, it comes with them. Oh yeah, I forgot, because this is the new kit. Okay, the old kit did not come with these. So you're gonna get all of this stuff that I'm dumping out, which I'll show you in a second. Oh, I got 2 of these. First of all, it smells really good. So you're gonna get this whole Keto Reboot schedule, okay? So this is exactly what to take and when. And I'll give you a tip for this. So it tells you exactly what time to take each of these products. One thing that I like to do is I like to go into my alarms during the reboot, set up an alarm for each product at the specific time and turn them all on. So that way, if you're running around at work, if you're running around and you're in the carpool line, you'll get a reminder, hey, it's time to eat your French or drink your French onion bone broth, okay? All right, so let's go through the products that are included in this. You're going to get 4 different flavors of Keto Nap. And sometimes these do change. So if you're catching this video and it's not September, actually this particular kit is from last month, so your flavors might be a little bit different. Heart Tart tastes like a strawberry candy. Lime Time tastes like key lime. These are gonna be mixed with just plain water. You can mix them up in a shaker cup like this, or if you just have a water bottle, drink a little bit of water out of the water bottle, tear off just the corner so that you don't get this powder everywhere, and put it in your water bottle and shake it up. This is not a shake, it's just a drink. So it dissolves completely. It's not chalky, it's not gritty. You're also gonna get 2 of the caffeine-free flavors. So for the caffeine-free, I've got Maui Punch, which tastes just like a Hawaiian punch, and I've got Raspberry Lemonade, which tastes just like a pink lemonade. I would say these 2 flavors are probably our most popular flavors, period, overall. These are really, really good. I like all 4 of these flavors, and I would tell you if I didn't. All 4 of these flavors are really good. The Maui Punch is our sweetest flavor. So if you don't like your drinks super sweet, add more water to that. All of these can be diluted to taste. Actually, everything in here can be diluted to taste. So if anything is too sweet for you, add more water. So then you've got these electrolytes. Now what I like to do personally is I like to add these in together. Okay, so this is also a powder that's gonna dissolve. I'm gonna pour this in to my shaker cup or my water bottle with my morning ketones. And you get 3 of these. So 1 electrolyte packet for every single day of the Keto Reboot. You're also going to get 4 packets of our bone broth. Now, you would have to be living under a rock to have not heard about the benefits of bone broth. Our bone broth is even better because you're getting all of the benefits, the protein, the collagen, the gut health of bone broth, plus the benefits of our patented ketones, which are the only ketones that are bioidentical to the ones that your body naturally produces, the only ketones on the market that are proven to put you into ketosis in an hour or less. You can test that with a blood meter. You're gonna get 2 whole things of this Signal OS. So you get Signal OS AM, which you take in the morning. You also get Signal OS PM, which has added things in it to help you sleep better. Okay, this also has something to do with DNA repair, clearing out damaged cells. It's really sciencey, and honestly, I sort of zone out whenever people start talking about it. So basically, it's just really good for you. Just take it. You're gonna feel amazing. And you actually get 30 of these tablets. So you're gonna have enough for these to use for 2 whole weeks after you start your reboot. And then this is our new Protones in Orange Dream flavor. You can actually make ice cream with this. You can shake it up like this in a shaker cup and just make yourself a creamy orange drink, or you can shake it up, stick it in the freezer, wait a little bit and eat it with a spoon and make yourself some keto ice cream. This is like another added bonus. So this is what they changed. They added more flavors. They gave you this Mitoplex. They gave you this. This is not part of the reboot. So this is what you'll use on the third day after you finish the reboot. This is what you break your fast with, okay? And they added in these extra tablets for you for your DNA repair, cell repair. So this is the extra freebies. This is why the price is going to be going up soon. And on a couple of the websites, it actually already shows the increased price going up to $94. But I know for a fact that if you order it today and just add it to your cart, go to checkout, it will discount it $15 and it will show up as the $79 price that it's always been in the past. So, who wants to do it with me? Like I said, I'm looking for about 10 people. You will get a full guide on how to get the best possible experience. I do want people who will be checking in with me during this. I want people who are gonna make sure that they take their before pictures and measurements. It's more of a mental challenge than anything else. So I promise you, you can do anything that you stick your mind to for 2 days. And after you finish this, I remember the first time I ever did this 60-hour reboot, I could not believe that I stuck to it and finished it. And I was so proud of myself just for finishing it that I didn't even really care so much about the results. I was more proud of myself for just doing it and not quitting. But the first time I ever did this, I lost 7 pounds. And I was shocked because I didn't even know that I had 7 pounds to lose. But every single time that I've done it, my results have been a little bit different. So the picture that I showed you earlier of me, I can pull it back up, of the last time I did it, there's only a couple of pounds lost. The scale only showed about 2 pounds when I did it this time, but I lost so many inches. So everybody's results are going to be different. The thing about the reboot is you get the results that you need, but I will definitely help make sure that you are tracking everything the way that you should be tracking so that you know if you've lost inches, you have pictures to compare the before and after. If I would have not taken those pictures and I would have only gone by the scale, I would have been so disappointed because I would have said, oh, I only lost 2 pounds. I did this whole fast, I only lost 2 pounds. But then whenever I looked at that picture, I was like, holy moly, like that's amazing, right? So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions about this, comment below. I will reach out to you and make sure that you get your questions answered. This is only available through the 4th. So tomorrow is the last day to grab that if you want to do it with us this month. Yay! So excited. I will definitely share my journey whenever I do this here.